In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import model in Weavy AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a model from Fal AI into your Weavy workspace and hook it up to your workflow without any confusion. Start by opening Weavy AI in your browser. Once you're in, head to your workspace and either create a new file or open one you've been working on. A fresh file is great if you want a clean slate, but using an existing one is perfect if you're adding a model to a flow you've already started. On your canvas, right-click on an empty area to bring up the context menu. From there, choose Import Model. If you don't see that option right away, make sure you're clicking the blank canvas and not an existing node since the menu changes depending on what you've selected. Now switch to a new browser tab and go to Fal AI. Browse the catalog and select a model that fits your use case. You can explore categories or recently added models to find something that aligns with your workflow's goals. Take a moment to skim the model's description so you understand what it expects as input and what it returns as output. That little bit of context will save you time when you connect it later. Click into the models page and copy the full URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. Be sure you grab the entire link. If your browser shortens it visually, double check by clicking once in the address bar and copying again to capture the complete URL. Return to your Weavy AI tab. In the Import Model dialog, paste the model URL you just copied. Confirm to proceed. Weavy will pull in the model and add it to your canvas as a node or block you can work with. Give it a second to finish if your connection is slow. With the model imported, you can now connect your workflow to it. Drag from your existing node's output to the model's input, and from the model's output to whatever comes next in your flow. If a connection doesn't snap into place, check that the data types and expected fields match what the model needs. Also make sure the link you pasted points to the exact model page you intended. That's all there is to it. You opened your file in Weavy, used the import model option, grabbed a model's URL from Fal AI, and pasted it back into Weavy to wire it into your workflow. Follow these steps anytime you want to expand your project with new capabilities.